Food that starts with A to Z. Food that starts with G. Gazpacho. Goose. Gooseberries. Graham crackers. Granola. Grapes. Gravy. Guacamole. Guava. Gumbo. Gyoza. Gyros. In this video, we show you a list of foods beginning with all the letters in the alphabet. Why are we doing this? Well, we love to eat, for one thing. Maybe this video will make you hungry and give you some cooking ideas. But another reason is that the names of foods in English come from all over the world, and without hearing them, you may find some of them difficult to pronounce. Are you ready? Food that starts with A. Alfredo sauce. Almonds. Amaranth. Anchovies. Arugula. Avocados. Apples. Asparagus. Food that starts with B. Bacon. Bagels. Bananas. Barbecue. Barley. Basil. Beans. Beef. Beets. Blackberries. Blueberries. Bread. Broccoli. Burgers. Cabbage. Cake. Calzones. Cheese. Chicken. Chili peppers. Coconut. Cod. Coffee. Collards. Cookies. Crepes. Curry. Food that starts with D. Daikon. Dairy. Dal. Danishes. Dates. Dill. Dosa. Doubles. Donuts. Duck. Dumplings. Durian. Food that starts with E. Eclairs. Edamame. Eel. Eggnog. Eggplant. Egg rolls. Eggs. Emmentaler. Empanadas. Enchiladas. escargot, escarole, espresso, food that starts with F, falafel, fennel, figs, fish, frankfurters, French fries, frittatas, fritters, frogs, fruit, fruit cakes, fungi, food that starts with G, gazpacho, goose, gooseberries, graham crackers, granola, grapes, gravy, guacamole, guava, gumbo, gyoza, gyros, food that starts with H, ham, hamburger, hash browns, herring, hoisin sauce, honey, honeydew, horseradish, hot dogs, hot sauce, huckleberries, hummus, food that starts with I, ikako, ice cream, ice, iceberg lettuce, idli, izikukuri, inari sushi, injera, isaw, Italian sausage, food that starts with J, jackfruit, jalapeno, jam, jambalaya, jambon, jelly, jerk chicken, jollof, Johnny cake, Jordan almonds, food that starts with K, Kaiser roll, kale, kasha, kelp, kimchi, knockwurst, kohlrabi, kombucha, kuchen, kugel, kumquats, food that starts with L, lard, lasagna, lemon, lima beans, limes, lingonberries, Linzertort, liver, lo mein, lollipop, lutefisk, food that starts with M, macaroon, mango, mangosteen, maple syrup, margarine, mayonnaise, melon, millet, mochi, mulberries, mustard, food that starts with N, naan, nachos, natto, navy beans, nectarines, Neufchâtel cheese, noodles, nori, nougat, nuts, food that starts with O, oatmeal, octopus, oil, okra, olives, onion, oranges, oregano, oysters, food that starts with P, pad thai, pears, peas, pecans, pepperoni, peppers, pie, pork, pumpkins, food that starts with Q, keema, quahog, quail, quenelle, queso, quetch, quiche, quinces, quinoa, food that starts with R, radishes, raisins, ramen, raspberries, ravioli, relish, rhubarb, rice, rigatoni, romaine, roquefort, rye bread, food that starts with S, salami, sesame seeds, sorbet, sorghum, soybeans, spaghetti, spanakopita, spinach, squash, sugar, sukiyaki, food that starts with T, tacos, tagliatelle, tempeh,
tempura, tiramisu, tofu, tomatoes, tortellini, truffles, tuna, turnips. Food that starts with U. Ube, udon, ugba, ukoi, umbrella fruit, unagi, upma, ushka, utazi, uttapam. Food that starts with V. Vanilla, vatapa, vatrushka, veal, vegetables, venison, vermicelli, vindaloo, vinegar, vori-vori. Food that starts with W. Wafers, waffles, waterblomechi Brady, wasabi, walnuts, watermelon, wheat, whelk, whiting, wine, wontons. Food that starts with X. Shakuti, xiaomi, xiao long bao, shigua, himania, schneepeck, shokoatl, shuba. Food that starts with Y. Yabi, yani, yakitori, yams, yaotia, yeast, yogurt, Yorkshire pudding, yuzu. Food that starts with Z. Xander, Zapyakanka, Zarzuela, Zeppole, Zerde, Ziti, Zongzi, Zucchini, Zucotto.
Congratulations! Now you know a lot of names of foods in English. If you're eating at a restaurant where English is spoken, you can feel more confident about ordering and being understood.